Hello students, myself Ushali Salpute. Again welcome to Shram Shakti Vidya Niketan English Medium School Malad online classes. Students, in our 5th standard EVS first in chapter The Earth and the Living World. In previous lecture, we learned very small information about hydrosphere, lithosphere and also atmosphere. Okay, students, what we have to see in this lecture? We have to learn in this lecture various landforms. Students, tell me, land is that everywhere? Is safe or is even no? Students, at some places land is with crops, land with rocks, land with only sand. So, in this lecture we have to learn various landforms related to land, landforms related to land, and next world continents and ocean. This point is related to water, world continents and oceans. Which are continents and about oceans. So in this lecture we learn these 2 points: various landforms and world continents and oceans. So I will explain this lesson. You see in your textbook. Okay, students, if as we go there are gentle mountain slopes as well as sheer chips of rocks. Listen again. As we go, there are gentle mountain slopes as well as sheer cliffs of rocks. All these land features are a part of the Earth's lithosphere. So, students, all the different part of land that we see, which parts are available on land? So, we see the mountains, the hills, the grassy land and the sand everywhere thing that is called lithosphere. Again listen, all the different part of land that we see. Which parts? The mountains, the hills, the grassy land and the sand everywhere thing that is called the lithosphere. Much of the earth's surface is occupied by the water. Means more part of the earth is covered by water. Always remember, most part of the earth is covered by, correct, water. But the lithosphere extends under this water too. Students, it means there is land under this water also. So, there is water on the surface of the land. The land is go deep into the sea. Students, see in this picture. From the picture here, our earth is divided into land and the water. So, see in this picture, blue part is of water and other part is of land. About a third of the surface of the earth consists of land. A vast continuous stretch of land is called continent. Again listen definition of continent carefully. A vast continuous stretch of land is called continent. Now students, what do you mean of this? If you look at the picture, see in this picture, above you see that each part of land which is given in different colors in the land is together. So, our earth is divided into 7 parts. How many parts? 7 parts. Our earth is divided into 7 parts, or that called 7 continents. So, each continent has a name. For example, we have there 7 continents. Look, Europe, then Asia, then Africa, then North America, then South America, then Australia, and last one is Antarctica. Again listen students. These 7 continents are Europe, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. From these, Asia, look in this picture. Where is Asia? Correct. So, Asia is the largest continent. And then Australia. Look, Australia is smallest continent. Students, as we travel, we are seeing that the land is not a same at everywhere. We see mountains, small hills. Sometimes we see it is plain and vast and open piece of land. When we saw the land is not even in all places. So students, the universe gives different shapes to the land in different places, and all that different shapes of land are called landforms. What is mean of landform? All the different shapes of land are called landform. Look here. Here given diagram is of various landforms. In this picture, various landforms are given. So, in the picture, you can see some landform like plain, hill and mountain, etc. You observe picture, there are many landforms. So, now look in this picture. Suppose this is picture of our earth. Again listen students. Suppose this circular diagram is our earth. So, look in this picture. That in the picture we see that 2/3 part of the earth's surface is covered with water. Means on our earth 2/3 portion of completely covered with water, and students, only 1/3 part of earth is covered by land. Now most of this water, how many water? 2/3. And from this water, most of water is in oceans. Now ocean water is tell me what is taste of water in water of ocean? Correct. Ocean water is salty. Now when you go to the beach and you go to water to swim and all that, when this water goes in your mouth, coincidentally, if this water goes in your mouth, taste is salty. It is not fresh. Just like land is formed or divided into continents, the water is divided into oceans. So students, there are 5 oceans, namely the Atlantic Ocean, second is the Pacific Ocean, then Arctic Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the last one is Indian Ocean. The land along the margins of an ocean is called the coastal region. Again listen, definition of coastal region. The land along the margins of an ocean is called the coastal region. Now, what do you mean by this? The land that we find at the seaside or at the edge of ocean. All these places are called the coastal region. Students, water bodies of different shapes and sizes are formed along the coast. That is because of some places the land goes deep into the sea. Bay, all of this given name according to how is the water. So the names are sea, bay, strait, gulf, creek, etc. So these water bodies are part of the ocean. Students, do you understand about all this part of our today's lecture? Okay, now remaining part which is for example surface water in these lakes, water in the form of ice, groundwater, all these points we will learn in next lecture. Okay, thank you.